The ambition of Scania Charging Solutions is to be with the customers through their whole electrification journey from start to finish. We start by looking at your vehicles, your flows, your drivers, your shifts. When we have done the operational analysis, we can take that information and estimate what energy impact your operation would have. And by that, we can design the best charging solutions for your needs. So what would a Scania charging solution look like for a transport company with urban and regional haulage operations? Let's start at the depot. Charging at your home depot will always be the best solution. Here you have full control over charging, energy prices and costs. Studies have shown that depot chargers take care of most charging needs, between 55 and 80% depending on the application. Another plus is that the vehicles can be charged overnight or whenever they're not being used. But what about when you're on the road? We have several solutions for public charging, including our newest service, Scania Charging Access. But there's also a third and key ingredient in a smart charging solution, destination charging. Charging here is similar to depot charging. You have cost control and overnight charging is also possible. If you operate a depot or a warehouse, offering destination charging to arriving trucks is a possibility for you to enable fossil-free transport. And not only for yourself and your trucks, you can even open an income stream by selling charging opportunities to others.